In the Optical Mark Recognition Engine Parameters section, the first thing to do is to define the number of horizontal and vertical boxes, as well as the horizontal and vertical distance between them. Please note that software expects all checkboxes of the same field to be equidistant from each other. The colored areas represent the effective recognition areas. Once the field has been defined, you can set the minimum and maximum number of expected marks. In this way, if you set one as maximum, multiple recognized marks will be seen like an error. This will reduce field confidence to 0. The same happens if the minimum expected marks value is 1, and all boxes look empty. Therefore, if the answer is not mandatory, you need to set 0 as minimum expected marks. To determine if a box is marked or not, you can work on two different parameters: ink percentage, and sign extension. Differently from commercial engines, Recogniform Optical Mark Recognition Engine works on a double layer, calculating both ink percentage and sign extension. Ink percentage represents the number of black pixels in the box area, assumed as totally white if the box is empty. Sign extension represents the length of the biggest sign in the area, related to the biggest possible one. For example, in a circle, the maximum sign extension is the diameter; in a square, it's the diagonal. Working on two combined parameters allows to enhance the quality of the recognition, avoiding common recognition errors, often due to a very low ink percentage setting. To be sure about the consistency of the set parameters, take advantage from the Recogniform Reader (OMR) debug option. Once the field has been recognized, software assigns a result as a binary string, where character 1 stands for filled, and 0 stands for empty. For example, if in a 3 boxes fields only the first one has been marked, the result will be 1, 0, 0. To avoid binary output, you can create a simple text file to use as output substitution file. In the example above, to assign the values ABC, just type 3 rows with 1 0 0 equals A, 0 1 0 equals B, 0 0 1 equals C. Type 0 0 0 equals 0. To get an X as a result of a multiple marked field, just add another row, typing else equals X. Same as other recognition engines, OMR field output value can be easily configured by script.